Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to demonstrate the cleaning and pressure testing of a generator lubricating oil cooler. We decided to overhaul the lubricating oil cooler because the lubricating oil temperature had risen above 70 degrees Celsius, while the normal operating temperature is around 60 degrees Celsius. After removing the cooler from the engine, bring it to the workshop and prepare for cleaning. Before disassembling the cooler plates, make sure to take all necessary measurements. While removing the plates, make sure to keep them in the correct sequence to avoid mixing them up. As you can see, the cooler plates were heavily formed with carbon deposits. Clean each plate thoroughly using kerosene, then wipe them with clean rags. After cleaning, inspect the gasket condition and renew them if necessary. Next, assemble each plate onto the cooler frame, fit the end cover and allow the adhesive to cure for 48 hours. Once the gasket glue has dried completely, tighten the plates according to the previous recorded measurement. Tighten the bolts evenly, monitoring the measurement during the process. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can deform or damage the plates. After tightening to the predetermined measurement, proceed with the pressure test. Close one end with a blind flange and install a flange with a hose connection on the other end. First, perform a freshwater pressure test at around 4 bar. After that, conduct the leakage test by using the surface air at approximately 7 bar. Repeat the same procedure for both the freshwater side and the lubricating oil side. If there is no leakage, the cooler is good. If any leakage is detected, disassemble the cooler again and find the cause. Once both sides are confirmed leak-free, reinstall the cooler back onto the engine. After cleaning and installation, a test run confirms that the lubricating oil temperature has dropped back to its normal operating condition. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.